I'd say you're like a cactus a little bit. Hi, I'm Nicholas Mosier, the Chief of Growing Operations here at Willoway Nursery. And here next to me is one of our new employees that comes to us as a position for our continuous improvement lead. Welcome, Terry. Hi, Terry.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm doing great, Nick.
Great.
How are you?
Good.
So,
Excellent.
glad to be here.
Yeah.
I am.
Huh.
Hmm.
So, you choose to work at Willoway.
Yes. It was a very good opportunity. I think the interview process went really well. It was inviting people, yourself, Ken, were in it. It was just an exciting opportunity to meet you guys, how you expressed Willoway as a place to be employed. And it was very welcoming, and I enjoyed that. So friendly, down to earth.
Excellent. That's really good to hear.
Mhm.
Bold move, but you didn't make the leap of faith.
Yes, I did.
So this week, you've kind of been getting introduced to what's been going on and what the industry's like. What's your first week been like?
Busy, dizzy, just a lot of good information, a lot of good people, wealth of knowledge out there at Willoway, and just it's just exciting to hear the people how well they represent Willoway on a day-to-day basis. You know, how they welcome people in, how they're open communication. It's just been overwhelmed with that, so it's been great.
So this morning, you got to sit in your first all-company huddle at 6:58 this morning.
Yes.
What a little bit of insight that you got out of that?
Very wealth of knowledge as far as what the company presents. The owners are there. You know, they just present a lot of the information as far as the business, where we're at, how we're doing, what needs to go, and just the interaction with the employees. It's just overwhelming sometimes just to see that.
So unfortunately, I didn't get to introduce you to the team, but you had the Kelly Call from Kelly's Corner introduce you.
Yes. So she made me sound really, really good, and it was nice. So
Good.
I enjoyed it. It was just a good time.
So last question. If a plant could describe your work ethic, what kind of plant would you be?
That's an interesting question. A specific plant, or just because I'm not very good at plants?
So you can see here at Willoway, we're trying to get outside the industry as well to hire people in, not just for their plant knowledge, but for their knowledge overall that they can bring into the industry, such as our continuous improvement, trying to make us better at what we do, getting to understand the why behind everything that we do, so that we can be continually improving and passing along that knowledge from one generation to the next. But if I had to, after my first week of observations with you, I'd say you're like a cactus a little bit.
That's interesting.
Yeah, thought so too. It's good though.
Yeah, I've never been described as that before.
There's always a first.
Thank you.
Well, welcome to Willoway.
Thank you,
I look
Nick.
forward to a long, long time with you.
I do too.
Good.
So,
It's been a great week, and I look forward to many more of them. And in all honesty, it's been a pleasure having you on board, and I look forward to some of the things that you really can bring to help us improve our operations.
and I don't plan on disappointing anybody.
Well, good. Well, thank you much, and here we go.
Thank you again.